Hello, we're at the top of the Capitol.
In Florida.
In Tallahassee.
Florida.
Thank you, Alex. Let's look at it.
States.
The United States of America. Let's look at it. Ooh. United States, obviously.
Like, you don't know. Well, and also it could be Washington.
Oh, no, we're not in Washington.
I wish we were.
We're in Tallahassee. This lady thought I was taking a picture of her. I was taking a picture of myself.
Okay, so Logan and I just went to the top of the Capitol, but now we're gonna go get drinks. Okay, everyone, Logan's gonna have her first Long Island. So, hold on, here it is.
I'm probably gonna die.
Okay, so we're probably gonna get drunk in the middle of the day. So we had our Long Islands, and it was 2 for $1, and the lady didn't charge us for our chips, so it was super cheap, and we're kind of tipsy for cheap.
Love will keep us together. Think of me, babe, whenever some sweet talking girl comes along.